So next, guys, we're just gonna do a good video here. KINZE 3650 planter, excellent shape. You'll have plenty of pictures on it. And we'll do some more pictures of it once they fold it for transport. But we're just gonna do a video of it, doing the fold, so you can see how all that works. Nice and smooth that way. It's field ready. Excellent consignor. You can see their shop here in the background. Their equipment is always excellent. They bring us good stuff. Very fussy. This planter, great shape, and they say it's ready to go. I put a lot of confidence in them. So there's a quick video of it folding, guys. KINZE 3650 planter. Good luck with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.